Can you solve this fraction? 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2 over 5 plus 1 over 4 over 5. It looks funny. So how do you solve a fraction like this? You're going to start from the very fraction underneath. You're going to start from the bottom of the fraction. So this is exactly what you're supposed to do. Now here you have 2 over 5 plus 1 over 4 then over 5. So how are you going to handle this? So this is what you're supposed to first of all do. You're going to first of all circle this. You're going to circle this. We're going to trash this first. So how are you going to solve this? This is like dividing 1 by 4 over 5. So which you can rewrite. You can actually rewrite this as 1. This is like 1 divided by what? 4 over 5. So now remember we can write this as what? 1 multiplied by 5 over 4. Good. So if we do that now, we're going to have what? That will be 5 all over what? 4. Now, meaning you're going to go back to a fraction. If you write your fraction all over, you're going to have what? What are you going to have now? You're going to have 1 over 2. You're going to have 1 over 2. Then plus our plus here. Then what do we have? 3 over what? We have 3. Then all over what? So all over, we have 2 over 5, 2 over 5. Then we have our plus. Remember we have already simplified 1 over 4 over 5 as 5 over 4. So what we have here now is just 5 over 4. So we continue again. Now at this point we can handle a whole of this because they are now at the same line. So we're going to handle a whole of this fraction. So let's pick that. So we can give it a common denominator of 5 and 4. So that will be 20. So we have this, and we know that 5 into 20 will give us 4. We multiply 4 by 2. We're going to have 8. That will give us 8. Then 4 into 20 will give us 5. And 5 times 5 will give us 25. So this is what we are going to have at this point, which we translate to what? This becomes 8 plus 25, which will give us 33 all over 20. Now that is exactly, so we are going to replace a whole of this with this. So if we write our fraction, now what are we going to have? We're going to have 1 over 2 plus, so now we're going to have 1 over 2 plus 3 all over 33 over 20. So you can see that this is in layers of how many? 1, 2, 3. So this cannot be added to this until we simplify this part now. So now we're going to simplify this. So if we do that, what are we going to have? So that is like saying 3 to be divided by what? We're dividing 3 by 33 over what? 20. Which you can write as what? 3 times. Then the 20 goes up and 33 comes down. We have this. And what would that become? 3 times 20 is obviously what? 60. That will be 60 over what? 33. Which we can actually simplify. We know that 2 can divide both of them. 2 into 60 will give us 30. Sorry, 3 rather, not 2. 3 can actually divide through both of them. 3 into 60 will give us, that will be 20. Then 20 over what? 3 here will also give us 11. So And that is exactly, so we're going to replace a whole of this with this now. We're going to replace a whole of this with this. So if we replace that, so what are we going to have now? Now we're simply going to have 1 over 2. 1 over 2 plus 20 over 11. It's getting easier, 20 over 11. Now, we can give it a common denominator. And if we do, the common denominator of 2 and 11 is 22 for sure. 22. So we're going to have this. Then 2 into 22 will give us 11, and 11 times 1 will produce 11. Remember, you can also go this way, then and this way if you want. Then 11 into 22 will give us 2 for sure. Then 2 times 20 gives us what? 40. 40. So altogether now, what do we have? 11 plus 40 should give us that will be 51. So that becomes 51 over what? 22. Now we can leave it as an improper fraction this way, or we simplify. And how many times can 51 be divided by what? 22. So we are sure that 22 plus 22 will give us 44. And so how many times will that go? That will go just 2 times. So we're going to have it as 2 times here. And what will be the remainder? The remainder will simply be the difference, because we know that 22 times 2 will give us 44. So the difference will simply be 51 minus 44. And that will be what? 51 minus 44, which will produce 7. So you can have it as 2 whole number 7 over what? 22 as the final answer. So don't forget to subscribe for more math tips that you will love.